Understanding, keep at arm's length. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard or read somewhere. Keep at arm's length. This expression is rich in meaning and is commonly used in both formal and informal contexts. Our goal is to help you understand its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. Let's get started. The phrase, keep at arm's length, refers to the idea of maintaining a certain distance from someone or something, both literally and figuratively. When you keep something or someone at arm's length, you are trying to avoid becoming too close or involved with them. This could be due to distrust, a desire for independence, or the need to maintain a professional boundary. Understanding the origins of idioms can be fascinating and adds depth to our knowledge of the language. The phrase, keep at arm's length, is believed to have originated from the practice of holding someone or something away from your body with your arm fully extended, to prevent harm or unwanted intimacy. This literal action has evolved into a figurative expression used to describe emotional or social distance. To help you grasp how to use this expression, here are a few examples. In a professional setting, even though they work together, she prefers to keep her colleagues at arm's length to maintain professional boundaries. In personal relationships, after being hurt in his last relationship, he tends to keep potential partners at arm's length until he's sure of their intentions. Regarding information or situations, given the controversy surrounding the project, the company decided to keep it at arm's length until things settled down. Learning phrases like, keep at arm's length, is crucial for language learners because they enrich your conversations and make your English sound more natural and fluent. They can help you convey complex ideas succinctly and relate more closely to native speakers by using expressions that are familiar to them. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning, origins, and usage of the phrase, keep at arm's length. Understanding such idioms not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you navigate social and professional situations more effectively. Remember, language learning is a journey filled with discovery, so keep exploring and practicing. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.